for Chem 252. It's basically the same syllabus as Chem 251. You should have got a C or better in 251 to be in 252. All right, same book if you want to use it. It's the same exact book. Okay. YouTube channel. I'll try to be live Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4 to 5:30. I know next week I'll be out of town, but you'll have videos to watch and everything to keep you occupied so we don't fall behind. That's the beauty of an online course. Again, with this online course, we are going to have live sessions where I can answer any questions and we can go over stuff, and if I have to lecture a little bit, but the majority of the lectures will be recorded and it'll be on your time to keep up. If I had to guess, your first exam would be on, let's see, today's the 7th, 14th to 21st. Either 21st or 23rd. The first exam usually covers a bunch more material. All right, then the rest of the course, so that's why that one will take a little bit longer. All right, we're going to start with, and this is all your course goals that you can look at and go through, drawing things like that. We're going to look at conjugated systems, aromatic compounds. We're going to talk about all our different reactions with alcohols and carboxylic acids, ketones, aldehydes. We're going to start with alcohols because they're going to build us into the ketones, aldehydes, carboxylic acids, and things like that, esters. At the end, we're going to get my wheelhouse, which is the biochem, carbohydrates, amino acids, lipids, proteins, and if we have time, we'll get to polymers. For those of you who are going in the organic chemistry field, there'll be a whole set of chemistry, or even the chemistry field, of courses directed just on polymers. All right, but if we have time. So we're going to cover a whole bunch of stuff here, looking at, again, alcohols and aromatic reactions and all of that fun stuff. Okay. So the syllabus will be on Blackboard for you to look at. Your grading wise, your grading is going to be based off of, again, exams. Okay. So lecture exams. All right. We'll see how many we get in, plus a final. The final won't be cumulative. The final will be on the biochem section. Our grade scale, again. All right. I don't do extra credit. So your grade is what it is. Attendance, again, this is an online course, so it's your call. Again, this is why I use YouTube, because the stuff will be recorded and archived on YouTube so that you can watch it at your leisure. All right, and here's what we're looking at. Addition reactions, functional groups. All right, aromatic compounds. We'll talk about aromatic substitution, alcohol reactions. We'll get into carbonyl additions and carbonyl substitutions, which is essentially what we're talking about there is your carboxylic acids, your ketones, your aldehydes, things like that. We'll get into some amine reactions and our peptides and things like that, topics in biochemistry. All right, so I kind of move peptides and nucleic acids down here with the biochemistry topics. That's the only thing that I change, really, from the standard syllabus here. Now, if we look at Blackboard, all right, and what's going on here, all right, you'll log into Blackboard, you'll click on Learn, it'll pull it up, and when you get inside, you'll see this, you'll see your courses on the right-hand side, and you'll click on the Orgo. We'll put it into student mode so you can see exactly what you'll see. Here is the welcome post. This is the email that I did send you. All right, right here, and it gives you all the information. I forgot to update this where it says starting Tuesday 5/26. I just copied and pasted. We're really starting today. Again, all of that's there. What I do need you to do is click on the assignments section. That's where, again, you're going to be taking your exams. But there's an attendance there. I just need you to go in there, click yes, and complete it for me. It's a survey. You just have to say yes, you're attending. So once you get your ability to log on to Blackboard, just please go into the assignment section. If you go into the course content section, there's a lecture there. The syllabus is there, and addition reactions kicks us off. Okay, where we will be. All right. So, and in the addition reactions, you'll find your PowerPoint. All right, if you click on that, and you'll have that at your disposal. In addition to any leftover, like I said, the videos that have been recorded. I think the majority, if not all of you, were in the Chem 1 section. Okay. So it's the same deal, but if you do have questions, big key, let me pull the syllabus back up. Send me an email. I'll get back to you as quick as possible, but make sure on my email you do put the 2 in there. Excuse me. All right, you do put the 2 in there, because if not, it doesn't come to me. All right, it goes somewhere else, and I'll eventually get the email, but not in a timely manner for you. All right. Okay, so where that takes me is, do you guys have questions about the course? Again, I was going to start today, but a bunch of people just got at it, and I don't want you missing anything if you have the slides in front of you while I'm talking or anything like that. So I'm okay with it. We have plenty of time to get through the material. You guys were really good last time working on your own, getting the stuff done and pushing through. All right, I'll again have the lectures prepared for you, and you can watch them at your own leisure if that's what you guys like, and then me come live and answer any questions. If you guys enjoyed that, working at your own pace as opposed to me, forcing you into a lecture for an hour and a half every 2 days. So, is there any things I could answer for anybody? Make sure you log into the chat. Let me know you're there. I see 11 people watching. All right, right now. What's going on, Dean? Dean, you get registered? Everything's good now? Just can't get on Blackboard?